What's up, everybody? I'm super excited to show you this. Let's dive in. So these are my agents. The ones that I'm going to show you specifically right now is Agent Ardan and Agent Veta. Agent Ardan, it kind of looks like The Rock. I didn't do that on purpose, but Agent Ardan is a project manager. He builds projects. He understands gaps in projects. He understands when there's missing tasks. He understands how project management should work. He knows how to look at the company as a whole and determine timelines. And he is just super, super smart at that. And then I have Agent Veta, and she's my cop. You see, she's got a little police hat on. So her job is to create accountability. She takes and she makes sure that all of our agents and all of our people are doing what they need to do. Okay, so let's take a look at how this works. So Agent Ardan will come into ClickUp, and Agent Ardan will do things like this. So let me just show you really quickly some of the stuff that Agent Ardan has done for us. Okay, so this is a company. We have Pippi. Sokka and I worked on this project. Agent Ardan created this entire project. I basically told him what I wanted the output to be, like what do I want and who's going to do it, and then he created the entire plan as well as all of the subtasks to get this project launched. He assigned things out to me and Sokka accordingly, knowing who we are and what our roles are. And then he created timelines for this project to get this launch done in time for June 2nd. So this is really, really, really super cool. So that is what Agent Ardan does. Now let's take a look at what Agent Veta does. So here is a Slack channel. This is my general Slack channel. You can see that every day we get our agents come in and they give us an overview of what's going on. So our daily execution happens at around 9 a.m. It starts at running at 9. You can see that it pulled for 9:05 and ends around 3 o'clock. And that's every single day this happens. So pretty cool. And so what it's going to do is it's going to tell me any tasks that are a problem. So here, and any movement that's happened. So here is everything that's going on. And it also links me to the tasks that I need to be aware of. So instead of me going through the 278 tasks, 2,444 subtasks that Shockwave agents and employees have, there are only three I need to take a look at. There are only three I need to be aware of. And it links me directly to the task itself that I need to be aware of. So I just clicked the link. Here is the actual task that it needed me to be aware of. And all of the information's right in here, including the comments from the agent on what's going on. And it's asking, quick execution check-in. This is Agent Ardan. This task is still in progress, has been quiet for more than 48 hours, and the due date is now overdue. Can you confirm? And this is just absolutely phenomenal for me in time savings. Instead of me trolling my ClickUp, I'm going to just look at three important tasks. Game changer, guys, game changer.